What we're concerned with is the sort of meaning that that event or protection pattern that that event created within your system. And that is what we want to address. So we don't need to go into the event too deeply. We actually can work with the pattern more than the specific event that caused the pattern. So a trauma anchor, that's my concept, is not the event itself. It is an emotional memory that gets stored in your nervous system, that gets linked to a belief that stabilizes an old identity. So you can think of it as an event that's sort of wrapped in emotional barbed wire, and we're not cutting into it. For today, for this month, for this work, we actually just want to loosen the wire. And when that emotional charge softens, we can actually change identity without force.